What's good, my people? Back again with another quick latest pickups unboxing. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pairs. It's only the start of April, but yeah, I've been busy. Got myself a few pairs, a few pickups, which all of these will be reviewed on foot. Some will be lace up videos as well, etc. All will be reviewed and on foot. If you're watching this video in April, the start of April, then you know it'll be in the coming weeks. If you're watching it a few months down the line, probably June, July, whatever, all the videos out, go watch. Just go watch all the videos, all the unboxings, all the reviews, etc. So the first pair we've got is the lovely Jordan 1 Low Chicago. I've got literally both laces in, so I've got the black lace, I've got the white lace. Still haven't decided on which lace I prefer, but the shoe I love. So that's the Air Jordan 1 Chicago. We'll carry on with Jordans, and we've got another lift off box right here. I'm gonna make an absolute mess. If you hear my chair squeaking, then allow me, man. I've spent all the money on Jordans. I can't spend the money on a new chair yet. So if you know, you know. We've got a Jordan 8 here, Bugs Bunny 8s. Love this pair, man. So happy to finally get my hands on this pair. You know, good colors. Anything white, red, black works on a Jordan, and is always one of the best colorways. Look, white, red, black, white, red, gray, black. But yeah, I love that pair as well. We'll carry it on with Jordans, and like I said, red, black, white, red, and black. We've got one of probably the best colorway in the Jordan 6, red and black. Lovely colorway. I really like this pair. So happy to get it below retail. I wasn't a fan of the red on this, like how chunky it is, whatever, but now I love them, man. Nike Air on the back, that red. You can't go wrong with Nike Air on the back, man. There's always people, oh yeah, Jumpman for this and Nike Air for that. I don't care. Put Nike Air on the back of everything. So that's the Jordans, just 3 Jordan pickups. Literally got red, white, and black. Got white, red, black, grey, and then black and red. We'll move over to the ASICS. So yeah, it's April. It's been warming up a bit in the UK. The weather's getting a little bit nicer. It's still up and down, but we're expecting, you know, May, June, July to be nice and warm. So it will be the ASICS season, runner season, comfortable runners season. So we've got a gel 1130. This colorway, I actually don't know the name of the colorway. It's white/red snapper. That's a very interesting name for a pair of trainers or sneakers. But yeah, this silhouette has been getting a lot of traction. A lot of people are jumping onto them. It's like the more affordable ASICs, but they look good on foot, man. They look really good. I really do like these. We'll carry on with another pair of ASICs and another gel 1130. This time it's cream/mahogany. This pair, I'll be honest, I don't like as much. I thought, let me get them in hand. I'll see how much I like them. They could have done a lot better with this colorway, I'll be honest. But they're still nice on foot. They're not horrendous. They're not really bad, but they could have done a lot more. I don't know if these are going to be a keep. They might be a return. yeah, the ASICS Gel 1130. I've been loving ASICS or ASICS, whatever you want to call them. Especially the comfort. Getting older, knees are horrible. But yeah, so we've got some good ASICS pairs for review, etc. Whatever you want to call it. I'm literally running out of space here, man. We'll throw them over there. We'll move on to New Balance, and joint top first place is the 202R. Probably my joint first New Balance silhouette for me. Really love the comfort on these, really love the materials used and all that good stuff. This pair is like a beige colorway, amazing for like spring, summer. Really lovely, really lovely colorway. I really like this pair a lot, man. Serious. You can't go wrong with beige on a New Balance, and especially the colors, like all these different colors, like kind of like a latte color. Makes me crave a coffee, man. But yeah, I really do like this pair a lot. And you know, the comfort, more comfy than these ASICs that I've got, I'll be honest. But yeah, the comfort on these is 10/10. Let's throw that to the side. I want to move this a bit away because that's a bit annoying. And last but not least, we've got a 1906R, which is joint top place for my favorite New Balance silhouette. And we've got a pair that I've seen quite a lot online and in store and stuff. So it's like a silver and gold colorway. Looks really good on foot. I really do like this colorway a lot. And then, you know, the 1906R silhouette, you can't go wrong with a 1906R. All that mesh on the sneaker, breathable, very breathable. So they're a bit more summer friendly than the 2002R. That's why I really like them. But, you know, I got love for both silhouettes because they're very similar, same but different. So, you know, the sole and all that stuff is the same but different. Well, the sole is actually the same. The whole midsole and sole, this whole bit is the same. Just the upper's different. I do have a video comparing those two pairs. So it's a comparison of the 2002R and the 1906R. So if you want to go watch that, go on my channel. I've got the video there. But yeah, so we've got Jordan 1 lows, Jordan 8s, we've got Jordan 6s, we've got New Balance 2002Rs, we've got New Balance 1906Rs, and we've got two pairs of ASICS Gel 1130s. So a lot of pairs that are going to be reviewed. I've actually been reviewing them. It's late at night right now, but I've been reviewing them. I've been doing the on-foots. All the on-foots are done. And yeah, I'm not going to waffle too much. I'm just going to say, wait for those reviews, wait for those on-foots, wait for those lace-ups and all that good stuff. And yeah, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, click the bell icon to stay like tuned or whatever you want to call it. Stay notified of every single review that comes out. And yeah, show some support, my people, man. Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. Take care, my people.